Hello guys and welcome to Mali. It is a beautiful sunny day here in Copenhagen, perfect to get out and go for a sail. Better have your boat in order. My name is Kira and in today's demo I'll show you one of the core functionalities Mali offers, and that's managing a component that has failed. A few weeks ago my VHF radio stopped working. I did a bit of looking around and saw that the cable going into the VHF antenna got cut. So yeah, let me use this example to show you just how easily Mali can help. I'll go ahead and enter my boat by clicking on the card. I have a few shots from last week, so I'll go ahead and upload them. I already know this is something I need to fix, so I'll choose to create a work item. I'll type cable going into the VHF antenna cut and get a new cable to connect the VHF radio and the antenna. This is a small, easy task, so I'll choose to do it myself. Once I enter the info, the fault is documented, and my task is ready to be handled. You'll see it here as a planned task in my task list. Now let me show you what Mali can do next. In the bottom right corner, you'll find SME. This is your AI assistant. SME has full context of your boat, so it can help with service advice or, in this case, ordering new parts. I'll prompt it with, I need a new VHF antenna cable. Because SME is vessel aware, it already knows what happened with my cable and the exact specs of my VHF radio. After sending the request, SME comes back with a precise recommendation on what to buy, along with a few great suggestions on where to get it. And that's it. Your part's ordered, your boat sorted. Enjoy the sail, you guys.